Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of -1 to the power of square root of 2. From Euler's identity, we know e to the power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, or for theta is equal to pi, we will get e to the power I times pi is equal to, this will be cos of theta is equal to pi, so cos of pi plus I times sin of theta is equal to pi. Now we know cos of n pi is equal to -1 to the power of n. So when n is equal to 1, we get cos of n is equal to 1, so pi is equal to, so when n is equal to 1, then -1 to the power 1, this is -1, so cos of pi is equal to -1. And we know sin of n pi is equal to 0. So for n is equal to 1, we get sin n is equal to 1, so sin of pi is equal to this 0. Now substituting this cos pi is equal to -1 and sin pi is equal to 0, in here we can write e to the power I pi e to the power of I times pi is equal to this cos of pi, this is -1, so -1 plus I times sin pi, and sin pi is equal to 0, so we can write I times 0, so I times 0. Now I times 0, this is 0, so we will get e to the power I pi is equal to -1. So e to the power of I times pi is equal to -1. Now raising both sides power by square root over 2 to get the value of -1 to the power of square root of 2. So raising both sides power by square root over 2, we can write e to the power of this I times pi whole to the power of square root of 2 is equal to, this right side will be -1 to the power of square root of 2. Now changing the sides, we can write this -1 to the power of square root of 2 is equal to this e to the power of I times pi whole to the power of this square root over 2 is equal to, applying exponential formula, a to the power b whole to the power of c is equal to a to the power b times c. So we can write e to the power this I times pi times square root over 2. So I times this pi times square root over 2. So pi of square root over 2 is equal to, now applying this Euler identity, e to the power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Again here we can write e to the power I of, consider this pi times square root over 2 as theta. So we can write cos theta, that means pi times square root over 2. So pi of square root over 2 plus I times sine of this theta, that means pi times square root over of 2. Now find the approximate value. We can write cos of pi square root over 2, this value as negative 0.266, and the value of sine pi times square root over 2, this as negative 0.964 of I, and this is the value of negative 1 to the power square root over 2. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.